Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a Coinbase wallet. Alright, if you've been wondering how to create a Coinbase wallet, then this video is gonna help you out with that. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can choose to log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app on your mobile device, or you can choose to do so on the website through your computer. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to click go to the accounts tab, and once you're there you want to click on create wallets. Once that's done, just choose the wallet type that you want to create. It could be a Bitcoin wallet or Ethereum, whatever. Just go ahead and choose that, and then you're gonna set up the wallet settings. So you can choose the wallet's name, password and whatnot. Just go through those settings and get that all set up, and once that's done, just confirm the wallet creation. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a Coinbase wallet. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next